Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create video on TikTok. So in here, I've already opened my TikTok apps, and if you want to create a video, you can just first click on the plus icon and the TikTok camera will be open. You can just use this. If you want to flip camera, you can just click on this flip button. Okay, and in here you can see there is the durations that you can adjust by yourself. If you want a longer video, you can choose 10 minutes. If you want a short video, you can use 15 seconds, or you can also upload create a photo or text. So here I'm going to go with 15 seconds. For example, you can turn on the flash or not by clicking on this, and you can also set a timer if you want to start a countdown to maybe prepare before taking a video. And here if you want to add some filter, you can just click on this, and here you can add a face or also makeup if you want to. This one is also filter, and this one is the speed. If you want to see the full settings, you can just click on the drop down, and here you can also adjust the voice in here if you want to add a voice effect. So to create a video, you can just click on this red button to start recording the video, and when you want to finish, you can just click on the stop icon, then click on the check icon, and if you want to upload, just click on next. So after this, you can just add a descriptions of your video, add hashtag, location, and just click on post after that. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.